I'm Mike Gogan, member of the Southern New England Model Railroad Club. I'm the former president of the club. Now I'm on the board of directors, so I'm still involved a lot in the decision makings of the club. I joined in 1985, about 6 months after the club was formed, and been here ever since. The club was informally started in 1990 by a few O-scale modelers. At that time, they constructed a modular layout, which was about 45 by 21 feet, and it was used to be displayed at the Amherst Big Railroad Hobby Show in Springfield, Mass. Finally, it kept growing and growing with members, and in 1994, it was formally established as the Southern New England Model Railroad Club. And the modular layout grew to 81 feet by 33 feet and continued to be a prime attraction at the annual show through 2013. Meanwhile, the modular layout won Best of Show and the Chairman's Award at the 2009 NMRA National Convention in Hartford, Connecticut. Modular layout grew too large for the quarters that we had. We decided to work on building a permanent layout. And as the track plan developed, it was decided to use what they call a mushroom design in the layout construction to allow us to have a lot more trackage in the small space that we had. A surprise source of income came our way one occasion when we were asked to construct two small Lionel three-rail layouts that would appear in the movie Joy that starred Jennifer Lawrence and Bradley Cooper. In the film, it was filmed in Haverhill, Mass. The layout appeared in two storefront windows to either side of the train shop that was in the movie. We are located in the basement of a church where the officials allow us to use their hall for model train dealers during a train show. Every year we have open house train show, usually the last weekend in September. And we also are on the Tour De Chooch on the weekend after Thanksgiving. Our train room is about 2,700 square feet contained in one area, and with the completed track plan, we have a main line that is a double track main line that is about 850 feet long. We have diesel and steam facilities, freight and passenger yards, and a passenger station modeled after the prototype in Springfield, Mass. Construction in that area was labeled Phase 1. In other phases, we continued adding yards for Harrisburg and Roland Roberts Yard. The layout can be described as 75% complete. Some additional bench work will be followed by track and electrical work for track power, turnout control, and signals. There's a great many structures on the layout, but there's still room for more. There is finished scenery in some areas with plenty of need for still more scenery. Prospective members can bring their skills to any of those tasks or work with current members to get further along in learning curve associated with those aspects of model railroading. Some of the most favorite parts of the layout is I like to do yard work or switching local freights. We have mainline freights and passenger trains that run, and we have a dispatch center which the dispatcher controls the operation of all the trains on the layout. We have a website you can view our layout on, which is snemrr.org. And we also have a Facebook page. We currently have 24 members. We meet every Wednesday night for a work session to build, repair, and do scenery work. We have a once a month operating session. That's on the third Saturday of the month. Anybody interested in joining us for an op session would contact our membership chairman off the website, and if there's space available, we make room for them on our op sessions.